Well, I'm sure you know a lot of gravies, different kinds of gravies that people make, but the gravy I've been making for almost 25 years, is something very unique, and it involves a lot of garlic. And in my household, if my kids don't smell the smell of cooking garlic, they don't think it's Thanksgiving. So what I do, I got some of the juice from when my turkey was roasting. It creates some juice. I got some of that juice, but it wasn't enough. So I added 2 cups of chicken broth. You can add any kinds of broth you want, and or a homemade broth. So I added 2 cups of chicken broth because I want more gravy, because the juice was not enough. And I have 2 cups of a lot of garlic, 2 cups of very fine chopped garlic. I'm going to add this. A lot of stuff. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of lemon, like 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper or white pepper, and I am also going to add 1/4 cup of whiskey. I'm going to add like 1 cup of ketchup too. Well, this is good enough. And about 1/3 cup of hot sauce. And let this cook for a long time and keep stirring it until it gets thick, and this is the best gravy ever. You can eat it with any turkey, and then your turkey doesn't need anything. This is the best gravy. So let's put this and start cooking. We'll cook it for probably an hour or so, very slowly, and it's done.